Woulda dey na the bar, money man don't call na the bar. Woulda dey na the bar, diamond boy don't drop na the bar. Woulda dey na the bar, money man don't.
Amifullest. This is your girl Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So in today's video, I'm here to do another unboxing. Actually, I got this from Zalando, but it's actually from Mango. So I got this really nice brown coat from Mango, and I want to come and do an unboxing for you guys. So this is what, let me first hide my address. So this is what the box looked like when it came, and I have been eyeing this coat now for a while. So finally I decided to pick it up because I just wanted it, you know. So let's do an unboxing. They literally just post my address on top of the box. So yeah, so this is what, okay, remove this. This one is in case if you want to return the package back, and it's very easy. They already gave you a sticker, a returning sticker. It's very easy. But this is not package that I'm planning to return. It's something that I like, so I don't think I'm gonna return it. So this is what the packaging, like I said, Mango always package their stuff really nice, and I really like it. Most of their coats comes with hangers. I have a lot of these black hangers. Anytime I got coats from Mango, they always come with this hangers. Their packaging is really nice. I really love how they package their stuff. So the coat is in medium, of course, it's medium. The price I don't really know offhand, but it was around, was above the €100 something. I don't know. I'll try and put the price here for you guys on the screen, and also put some pictures here, show you guys the model, how the model had the coat on. And yeah, so this is the coat. It's really beautiful. So let me remove it nicely. I know it's not something that I'm going to return, but just in case, because sometimes I do have occasions where I will get stuff and I really don't like returning stuff. I prefer to either give it away or try to find a different way to style it or put it on, but I literally don't like returning stuff. So yeah, this is what the coat is looking like. It's really beautiful. It's not that long, it's like a half coat. I really like it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this on. I'm going to test this. Oh, I love coats. Like, I really love coats. The only coats that I don't have, I've been eyeing this coat. It's a black coat, like something like this, but then black. But they don't have my size. They don't have size 38 anymore. It's sold out. So I'm really waiting for that coat to come. I really love the inside, the way you always get extra with Mango. Every time you buy stuff from Mango, you always get extra buttons, extra knob for in case one of these break, or in case one of this one breaks. So you always get extra knobs. Normally what I like to do, I'll just take a scissors and just cut it off, and then I'll just put it somewhere where I normally put all of my buttons. And with this coat, you're not allowed to wash it. Now you're not allowed to wash it, but I normally do hand wash. For example, I will not wash it after one wear. I will do hand wash, or for example, if I have like stain or accidentally something touches it, I will do like a steaming, like try to steam, get the dirt out. And then once in a while I'll do hand wash on my coat. I'll do hand wash once in a while. I have to do hand wash because I just can't stand it. Or you can take it to the dry cleaner. They have their way of cleaning it really nice. But sometimes there are certain coats I will just take to the dry cleaner because of the expensive. But there are some I'm like, okay, I'll try to do like a steaming stone at home, try to remove the dirt, or I'll just put it in the wash machine and do hand wash. Or sometimes I'll even use my hand to wash the area where the dirt is with my hand. And yeah, but this is not allowed to put in the washing machine. You can iron it, but on a very low low heat, and a very low heat on stand one. I don't know how your irons are, but in stand one, you're not allowed to put it in the dryer as well. You have to hang it for it to dry. It's quite nice. So now let me test this coat for you all so you guys can see what it looks like on me. Is the coat. I really love it. It's really beautiful. I love it. You can wear it like this. You can style it in different ways. You can wear it with all black outfit. So yeah, I love it. So now I just love the material. The material feels really soft. Feels really beautiful. Like, I don't know, I'm just into coats. I'm just really into coats. I just love it. So let me put it on. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And it's really nice. I love it. So Team Fullest, hopefully you all like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Doeg! Bye!